This is a short demo of the EXPath Zip module, and specifically I'm going to be using the entries function, and I'm actually going to be working inside an EXPath editor, but normally you'd be working in a hosting language like XSLT or XQuery. So if I type in this entries function that is in the zip module namespace, hence we've got a zip prefix here, and in fact we can check prefixes here, and if we go down to the bottom we should see, so that prefix is declared there, and you need that declared when you're going to be actually accessing zip nodes, which we will in a bit. So going back here, what we need is this function takes a URI, so we need to resolve the URI because I'm going to be putting in a string path that is in fact a variable called doc overview. Let's just finish that off. Okay, and in my results list here it tells me that I've got a single result and it's of type element and it's called file, and so if I click on that it selects that in the adjacent panel here, and we can see that what entries actually returns is a file element with a representation of the internal directory structure of the zip package of the file that we're looking at, which in this case is a Word document, but we could have chosen any of the bunch of zip and XML standards using zip compression for packaging. Okay, so what we've got here is a number of directory elements to represent the directory structure of the package, and within them you will also see entries that actually represent the zip entries in that package, and this is one of the key ones, document.xml here. We can also see here that we've got a media element that has got a number of images in, but interestingly they're not zip compressed, so we are told that by the returned element because they've already been compressed before actually being added to the zip package. If we just extend this expression to have a look how we navigate through the file element, we might, for example, be interested in a particular directory. So if I put in, so that returns all the directories found in the package, but if I'm just interested in the one named, whose name is Word. Okay, let's close off that predicate, and now let's find all the entries within that, and let's get the name of all those entries. Okay, so that just summarizes all those zip entries within that part of the zip package. And just to show how that correlates with the physical file, we've got a folder panel here that shows all the files that are currently in the input folder for CoherentWeb, and at the very top is the one that we've actually been looking at, which is overview.docx, and here we can see the directory structure, which is mirrored by the actual XML here. And if we click on this Word directory, it shows us each one of the zip entries within, and actually as we click through this it takes us and we can see the XML for those in here. And we can go back to the zip entry here. Okay, that concludes this brief demo on the zip EXPath module.